Most people hear BMW and think two things: fun to drive, expensive to keep alive. And for a lot of used models, they're right. One wrong engine choice, and you're staring at a $6,000 repair bill before your next oil change. But there are exceptions that will genuinely surprise you. One model on this list is considered by mechanics the single most reliable BMW ever built, full stop. Another swapped a fragile Turbo 6 for one of the toughest engines the brand has ever made, and tuning shops can't kill it. And the number one pick isn't even a modern car. It's nearly 30 years old, and mechanics still call it the benchmark. These are the 10 best used BMWs you should actually buy in 2026. But before starting the video, if you didn't subscribe yet, then please subscribe. Number 10. 2016 BMW 2 Series 228i, the entry ticket, $14,000 to $19,000. The 2 Series promises the purest, smallest BMW driving experience available. A genuinely fun rear-wheel drive coupe for the price of a used Camry. Early 2014-2015 models with the N20 Turbo 4 suffered from timing chain guide wear. But BMW corrected that design flaw with revisions after January 2015, making 2016 models particularly solid choices. Buying tip: target a 2016 model specifically. Ask for service records confirming the timing chain guides are the revised part number. If confirmed, this is the cheapest legitimate BMW driving experience on the used market. Number 9. 2011 to 2017 BMW X3 F25, the sensible SUV, $12,000 to $19,000. The X3 promises compact luxury SUV practicality without the size or complexity of the X5. This generation offers the N20 Turbo 4 or the N55 turbocharged inline-6, with the N55 giving up only about 3 mpg for meaningfully better low-end torque. Buying tip: look for a 2015 to 2017 xDrive 28i or xDrive 35i. Check the valve cover and oil filter housing for the classic slow oil seep common to both engines. Cheap to fix if caught early, expensive if ignored. Number 8. 2011 BMW 328i E90, the simple 6, $8,000 to $13,000. The E90 328i promises old-school BMW purity. No turbo, no complexity, just a naturally aspirated straight 6 and a perfectly balanced chassis. The N52 is widely regarded as one of the most reliable engines BMW has made in recent decades. Naturally aspirated, smooth, and free revving. Buying tip: keep up with oil changes and the Vano seals, and this engine will comfortably outlast the car around it. Number 7. 2014 to 2016 BMW 5 Series F10, the discounted executive, $16,000 to $24,000. The F10 5 Series promises full-size executive comfort at mid-size sedan money. This facelift generation, paired with the N55 turbocharged inline-6, is a genuinely strong combination. Smooth, torquey. And by this point in production, most of BMW's early turbo teething problems were resolved. Buying tip: get the service history and confirm. The water pump and thermostat, both plastic components on this engine, have been replaced at least once if the car is past 80,000 miles. Number 6. 2016 BMW 3 Series 328i F30, the reliability benchmark, $15,000 to $21,000. The F30 3 Series is BMW's bread and butter, and the 2016 model year is the one to target. It's the last year of the N20 engine's use in the 3 Series. And by that time, all of the early issues with the motor had been worked out, giving the N20 a chance to go out on a high note. Buying tip: this is the safest, most boring, most sensible BMW sedan you can buy used, which is exactly the point. Number 5. 2018 BMW X5 xDrive 35i F15, the balanced hauler, $22,000 to $30,000. The X5 promises three-row adjacent space and genuine off-highway composure in a package that still drives like a BMW. The 2018 X5 F15 xDrive 35i, powered by the N55 turbocharged inline-six, represents the sweet spot for reliability in this generation. Buying tip: avoid the diesel variants from this era due to swirl flap and emission system complexity. Stick to the gas N55. Number 4. 2016 to 2018 BMW 340i F30 LCI. The indestructible 6, $23,000 to $32,000. The 340i promises 6 Series performance in a 3 Series body, and it delivers without the usual BMW performance car fragility. The B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six found in the 340i remains one of the most reliable turbocharged engines BMW has ever produced. Tuning shops regularly push this engine to 450-plus horsepower on stock internals without issue. Buying tip: target the 2016 facelift year specifically, and check for the factory-known coolant expansion tank crack, a cheap $150 part if you catch it early. Number 3. 2017 BMW X3 M40i, the modern sweet spot, $24,000 to $32,000. The B58 engine that followed the N55 was even better, and the 2017 X3 M40i is proof. This is the most reliable X3 you can buy. Minor issues like coolant system cracks and valve cover oil leaks can occur, but they're relatively easy and inexpensive to solve. Buying tip: this is a genuinely modern SUV. New enough to feel current, not so complex that ownership becomes a second job. Number 2. 2021 Plus BMW X7 G07, the flagship surprise, $45,000 to $58,000. Normally, BMW's biggest SUVs are the most expensive to maintain. The X7 flips that script. Introduced for the 2019 model year, just 2 years later, it had become one of BMW's most reliable models in modern history, largely thanks to its 3.0-liter inline-six with twin-power turbocharging. Buying tip: if you want three-row luxury with genuinely modern reliability data behind it, this is the one to target. Number 1. 1997 to 2003 BMW 5 Series E39, 525i, 530i, the Holy Grail, $10,000 to $18,000. The E39 is the absolute core of what BMW used to mean. Ask any independent BMW mechanic what the most reliable BMW ever built is, and the overwhelming majority will give you this exact answer. The E39 is widely regarded as the best 5 Series ever built, and that's not nostalgia, it's mechanic consensus. The M54 inline-six, found in the 525i and 530i, is widely considered the best all-around engine in the entire E39 range. Some owners report examples surpassing 310,000 miles without major issues. Buying tip: find a 2001 to 2003 530i with the 3.0-liter M54. The Achilles heel is the cooling system. Neglected coolant loss followed by continued driving is the most common cause of M54 failure. Confirm the radiator, expansion tank, and water pump have been replaced within the last 60,000 miles. If they have, you're looking at the single most bulletproof BMW ever sold. Now, I want to hear from you. Which BMW do you actually trust the most? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for the next brand breakdown.